We have a recycling club so that recyclable items do not end up in the trash.
We have a recycling club so that our landfills don't fill up.
We have a recycling club so we can stop polluting the areas where animals live.
We have a recycling club so that we can protect our planet.
What should you do with that instead of putting it in the trash?
You could place recyclable items into recycling bins. If you recycle paper, trees don't have to get cut down. If you recycle plastic bottles, they can be turned into other plastic bottles within 6 weeks.
Instead of putting items in the trash, you can reuse them. For example, you could turn your trash into instruments.
How do you create a school recycling club?
First, you need to make sure all rooms in your school have blue recycling bins and a big dumpster outside to collect just the recycling. Also, ask everyone to use the SFPS recycling guide that shows us what belongs in the blue bins. That's really important. Then you need to gather recycling bins in all of the different rooms in the school.
Some of our classmates go to the kindergarten classrooms for their recycling bins because their teachers ask us to help them. We don't get bins from the upper grades because those students are tall and can reach the recycling dumpster.
The music, art, PE, and technology teachers might not have students to help them, so some recycling helpers go to get their bins. Places that don't have students like the nurse's office, the teacher's lounge, and the front office also need help with their bins.
Our principal makes an announcement calling all recycling helpers to the front lobby.
Please send your recycling helpers to the lobby. Please send your recycling helpers to the lobby. Thank you.
Next, we meet in the school lobby with our blue bins and we wait for students from other classes to come. Most classes have recycling helpers. These students bring their classroom recycling bins to the front lobby.
Once we're in the lobby with our recycling bins, we help all recycling helpers look through their bins for trash or non-recyclable items to remove.
We especially look for tanglers.
Tanglers get caught in the recycling machine at the recycling center. Examples of tanglers are plastic bags, Christmas lights, ropes, and ribbons. When we find these items, we remove them and we tell students to teach their classmates that these items are not recyclable.
It's really important to remove non-recyclable items so we don't contaminate the things which do belong in the recycling. Contamination and trash in the recycling dumpster will mean a whole load could end up in the landfill.
Once the bins are checked for non-recyclable items, what should we do next?
All recycling helpers walk in a line outside. Let's go!
We take turns dumping our bins. We help the recycling helpers who are too small to reach the recycling dumpster by picking up their bins and dumping their bins into the dumpster for them.
Once the helpers empty their recyclable materials, they walk back into their classrooms. If they had trash in their bins, they teach their fellow students about this.
So, what is recyclable? What goes into the blue bins?
We should recycle these types of paper. Loose leaf paper, file folders, copy paper, construction paper, only if it doesn't have a lot of glue, paint, or glitter. Cardstock and newspapers.
In addition, we should recycle plastic. Plastic containers that are clean, plastic bottles that are clean and empty, and hard plastic items.
We should also recycle paper towel and toilet paper rolls. Books, cardboard egg cartons, paper bags, tissue paper boxes, and boxes that are flattened.
We should recycle aluminum, soup cans, aluminum foil, or trays that are clean, soda, and other cans that are empty.
What shouldn't we put into the recycling bins?
We should not recycle candy wrappers, plastic bags, Christmas lights, wood, pencils, erasers, markers, and crayons.
We repeat, you should not recycle. Ribbon, string, and yarn can be used again. Don't throw these away. These are tanglers.
Use tissues or paper towels.
Yeah!
Food scraps like banana peel, pizza, or other food items should never go in the recycling bins. You can compost those things.
Glass is recyclable, but not at schools because it will break and cut the recycle helpers. You should always separate the glass from the other recyclable materials.
Thank you for watching our video about how to create a recycling club. We hope that you have been inspired to start your own school recycling club. When we work together, we can reduce what we throw in the trash and stop polluting our schools and the world. Together, we can help each other do the right thing and save our beautiful planet Earth.
Recycle!